This is Billy from the Learning Kitchen. The Mid-Autumn Festival is around the corner. I will be working together with the Presbyterian Primary School Parent Support Group to teach the students how to make the traditional mooncake. But you know, it's no fun to do it on my own, right? So today I'm going to engage my grandson and my granddaughter. This is Joshua and this is Elora. And both of them will be helping me to make the mooncake. I've also invited my friend Cindy to come and help me. Welcome, Cindy. Are you ready to make the mooncake? Are you ready to make the mooncake? 1, 2, 3. Firstly, we have to prepare the salted egg. Secondly, we have to make the pastry to wrap the mooncake. That's it. No, this is called salted egg and it's duck egg. First, you have to
take away the soy. Yeah.
It's actually to preserve the egg. And you must buy from the market.
Market is more fresh. Yeah.
If you buy from the market, the egg yolk one is very big, you know. Very orangey and nice. I don't know, but let's crack this one and see how. But this egg shell are very thick. You have to clean up all the egg white from the egg yolk. Otherwise, the color won't be so vibrant. You know, and then if you coat it with a thin layer of egg white, and then it turns white color after you have steamed.
Also, it's a bit salty.
Can you see the difference here? This one is with the egg white still stuck onto the egg yolk. This one I've already cleaned up already. So now we need to place the egg yolks on the oil plate and steam for 2 minutes. So next we are going to prepare the pastry for the mooncake.
You must get the golden syrup, so it will make the pastry darker brown. If you don't add in the alkaline water, then the pastry will be more like a biscuit, you see.
So this peanut oil must be 100% peanut.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
to make it so fragrant.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
First, we need to sieve the flour.
Oh, like this, yes. Oh.
Very fine, huh?
Wow. So now we make a hole like this in the center.
Next, I need to combine all the wet ingredients and then mix well. After that, then we put inside the flour there. So we mix it. See, the color different because we mix already.
Oh, I see.
All these wet ingredients inside the bowl here.
Yeah, continue to mix well until you don't see the white color flour.
So we let it set for 2 to 3 hours will do. Flour will absorb all the wet ingredients.
Oh. So we just have to leave this aside for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, no need to put in the fridge. The main ingredient in most of the mooncakes is the lotus seed paste. If you want to learn how to make this lotus seed paste, you can watch our other videos.
So we put the melon seeds into the
lotus
seed paste.
Very nice smell. And smell the peanut oil.
Measure the weight total 130. Okay. Now you just press a hole, then put the egg yolk in
the center.
Yeah. Okay. Then put the yolk inside. Yes.
See the yolk put inside to wrap around the egg yolk.
Put in the center. The yolk.
Yeah. So make sure that it's in the center. Okay, like that, okay, put in that, and then you cover up, slowly, push up, roll, oh, flour, wow, that's nice. So this is Joshua's creation, isn't that nice? So you see, after resting for about 2 to 3 hours, this is how the dough looks like. Now it looks very glossy and moist.
So you have to weigh 50 grams.
Now we are going to weigh the pastry and flatten it with your palms. Next, we place it over the lotus seed paste and roll it into a ball like this. Can you see? Air bubble. Sometimes they have air bubble, one lump. Then you make sure that you have to press it all out. Why? After you bake, right, because the air pocket inside, right, it doesn't stick, right?
Then you will separate from the paste.
So this is the mooncake mold. Make sure that the edging of the pattern inside is deep enough. So after when you remove the mooncake from the mold, you can actually see the imprint. Very nice.
So now we need to put this ball inside the wooden mold. This one is compound flour.
Or the same
So
flour.
we must put some flour into this mold, you see. We need to put some flour outside. Then when we press into the mold, it won't stick onto the mold. Flour. So then it's like here. And press the side first.
Oh.
I press the side. You need to hit the four sides, then come out the design. It won't out of shape, okay?
I'm going to put the mooncake on the tray to bake. To prevent cracking, I need to spray the mooncake with some water before baking. We have already preheat the oven to 160 degrees and now we bake the mooncake for 15 minutes. We need to sieve the egg wash. Do you know why? To prevent clumping. We must gently brush the cooled mooncakes with the egg wash. Why? Because of the delicate imprints.
So this one is a snow skin mooncake. So we can make for the children, they will like it.
Here is a sneak peek, but refer to our blog for the snow skin mooncake recipe.
Wrap the lotus seed, okay, into this skin. We wrap it, okay. The flour, we put some flour here. Okay, then we'll put inside here. Press hard, press hard. Press.
Wow! I think the mooncake is already turning golden brown. We can take it out now. So this is our mooncake, fresh from the oven. It's still very hot, but don't touch it because it's still very flaky. So you touch it, it will disintegrate. So why do you need to wait for 2 days before you can consume the mooncake? Then the oil will actually coat, all the pastry and it becomes very smooth and soft and it looks very glossy.
So don't worry about the color. It seems like very light. The oils come out, then the color will be darker. So it will be just nice for the colors. Yeah.
3 days later, here we are! See, the oil has seeped out to the skin and it looks so glossy and succulent. Don't you think it's appetizing? Try making this with your family. So be sure to like and share this video and check out the recipe on our blog. Wishing you a happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Dang, 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 dang. Remember to carry a lantern.